Do you mind? All right, ready?
Yep.
Hi everyone, I'm Caroline Cooper with the Fitzpatrick team at Remax, and we're here at 28 Fenner Avenue. I want to take you for a little tour, so come on. So we're gonna walk into the living room here. This home was built in 2003. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath. So from here, we're gonna take a walk into the kitchen and dining room area. This kitchen was remodeled in 2011, granite countertops, new sink, new faucet. Everything was really just spruced up very nicely. The little half bath is over here, which is just what you need. And then you can walk out this back door to your back porch and yard. They put the shed in 2011 as well. And the property line goes from the outside of the shrubs in. And then back to the fence. Let's come back in this way. This door right here goes down to the finished basement, which was recently done. I'll take you down there in a sec, but let's go take a peek upstairs first. So we're up here where the 3 bedrooms are. The master is this way and the 2 other bedrooms are this way. Your guest bath is here. Both bathrooms were also redone recently with Corian shower stalls and a brand new tub, flooring. The Corian is great for low maintenance cleaning. And then come on this way to the master, which is nice and spacious and a ton of natural light with the skylights here. We have a nice double closet over this way. Mirrored doors. You can take a peek in the bedrooms and I'll meet you back downstairs. Perfect. There's been new flooring put in throughout the house as well, and a mini split central AC and heating unit put in right over here. The home is 2 zones of heat. It's oil heat, forced water, and then downstairs we have another split system. So there's central AC down here as well. And this was just all redone. New flooring, new ceilings. Great space over here. A ton of drawers over here for storage, and then your washer dryer is over this way with a sink. And then there is a refrigerator even further down this way on the very end. And in here is just the unfinished portion of the basement with a little extra storage. There's a radon mitigation system installed as well, and a sump pump too. So that's our walkthrough. Just to recap, we have 2 renovated bathrooms. All new floors throughout the home, another zone of heat and air conditioning added, so it's ducted AC and heat upstairs, and then the mini splits on the first floor and down in the basement, which has totally been renovated and finished. A lot of extra space there and storage. The washer dryer is down there as well. You've got a nice yard with the shed as well, and the back deck Have a grill out there, great for entertaining, brand new renovated kitchen, and I think that's really it. So if you have any other questions, let me know. If you'd like to a walkthrough in person, be happy to do that. Give me a call anytime at 401-477-9744 or follow the link. Bye guys.